Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can make your phone display screen black and white. So for by any case, if you want this option to make your phone look like just only in black and white color, maybe for the eye comfort, or if that is your sleeping time, if you want your phone to not display any colors, just want to have black and white, you can do that. There is a option on your Android mobile, so you need to click on your phone settings. See phone settings. Okay, under phone settings, scroll down and you'll see an option called digital well-being and parental controls. Tap on this. Under this option, there is a option called bedtime mode. Actually, this bedtime mode is default, it is turned off. If you enable this, turn on turn on now. Immediately, maybe my screen recording is visible to you or not. My phone became black and white. My phone display is showing black and white, absolutely black and white now. Actually, this we can schedule. This option we can schedule like bedtime routine. So you can use a schedule and you can fix a starting time and ending time, starting time and an ending time, and that's it. Every day, if you want, all these days it will function like from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. My phone will be automatically in this bedtime mode, which means my display is on black and white. So I'll turn off this. You can have a option at this notification bar, means in this option also you can have this bedtime. To have this, scroll down and you need to click on three dots and click on edit tiles, and you can see here bedtime options. See bedtime mode, you need to click on this plus symbol. That's it. From now on, see here, I directly can turn on this. Now my screen became a black and white. So in this way you can change your display into black and white. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.